Chapter 5, Periodic Classification of Element, page 91, question number 1. Question: which of the following statements is not correct statement about the trends when going from left to right across the period of periodic table? A. The element become less metallic in nature as we move from left to right. The above statement is true. Students, as we know, as we move from left to right in a periodic table, the metallic character decreases and non-metallic character increases. Now let us understand in best possible way. Students, as we move from left to right, electron releasing or losing tendency of an atom decreases. This is because the ionization energy increases. So we can say the metallic character decreases as we move from left to right in a periodic table. Part B, as we move from left to right in a periodic table, number of valence electron increases. Students, the above statement is correct. What we can see here in a figure, that as we move from left to right in a period of a periodic table, we see that the valence electron increases from 1 to 8. Students, now let us do the C part. The atom loses electron more easily as we move from left to right is not true. Because as we move from left to right, the electron releasing tendency decreases due to high ionization energy as we move from left to right in a period of a periodic table, which you can see in the figure. The explanation is given below. The atoms loses their valence electron easily. As we move from left to right in a periodic table, effective nuclear charge increases. Hence, the valence electron are strongly held with the nucleus as the element moves from left to right in a period. So, we can conclude that it is not easy to remove the valence electron as we move from left to right in a period. Now let us do the D part. The oxides become more acidic in a period of a periodic table as we move from left to right. Students, in a figure given below, you can see here that sodium and magnesium are metal and they are basic in nature, whereas aluminum oxide is amphoteric in nature and it exhibits the behavior of both acid as well as base. Now let us take elements like silicon, phosphorus and sulfur, which are non-metal and they are acidic in nature. So finally we can conclude that as we move from left to right in a period of a periodic table, the acidic character increases. That means from basic it becomes amphoteric and from amphoteric it becomes acidic.